masasabi mo na binabasyon yung si Moira dahil hindi daw siya deserving maging idol Philippines jazz?
Ay, marami siya. Hindi mawawala yun. Hindi na mawawala yung mga bashers, naysayers. But I think Moira's an amazing artist. She writes her own songs and she has her own style. So, kaya may bashers siya. Kasi dun siya.
Ay, bilang judge ng idol.
Bilang judge ng idol? Well, I think she's deserving kasi she's a good artist eh. Meron talaga siyang ear. Thank you.
Thank you.
Time ko
Sabi
this year na ma-motivate talaga to work out. Kasi before, I used to be so lazy. But now, parang when I started doing it, parang I felt like I was doing something good for myself. Parang I'm stronger, I felt happier.
When it comes to your parang yung personal disposition.
My personal disposition. No, sorry.
Yung disposition mo in life, in general, na parang kasi diba, you're always known for being strong and very fierce when it comes to your beliefs. Hindi ka natatakot na to express yourself. Naman ko, sasabihin ko talaga.
Siguro, wala. I just really stand for what I believe in. And I'm open kasi to learning eh. Wala naman perfect sa atin. So, if I make a mistake in front of everyone, it's okay. As long as I was true, nasabi ko yung talagang anong paniniwala ko. Yun, open kasi ako na tao to really learn and improve myself.
So for 2019, ano na lang yung mga nilook forward mo na goals na ma-achieve mo?
For 2019, siguro ito nga, I'll continue my fitness journey. And I hope to be able to do a soap again this year. I really want to go back to acting. And sana maging successful yung second album launch ko because I'm super excited ako for this kasi nga mas hands-on ako ngayon.
Sa love life, tama naman na kaya mo o open ka na ulit to entertain na?
Siguro not yet open to get into a relationship, but if people come, then people will come. And I will know when it's the right time. Yeah.
Inasabi mo kanina parang you're planning or to write songs. If there's one song na parang to describe yung pinagdaanan mo, ano kaya magandang title for that?
Wow! How Far I'll Go, Moana. Yun yung life story. Grabe, every time I sing that song, talagang ramdam ko siya eh.
And you have, parang open ka ba sa posibilidad na maging love team partner kayo ni Kiko Estrada?
Like I said, siguro ayoko mag-box na sa love team lang, pero open naman ako na maka-work siya ulit. Kasi he's okay, super okay yung experience namin working with each other.
Pero dito sa Regal, may bakang ka-partner doon sa movie mo sa Regal?
Wala pa eh, wala pang napipili. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Janela, ito na lang question ko. Parang, how does it feel na finally, parang after some time na parang medyo minsan hindi okay, minsan okay. Ngayon na parang mas tuloy-tuloy na ba yung pagiging okay din ng mom mo?
Anong mom mo?
Na mas nakakapag-bonding kayo.
I'd rather, not talk about it until may masasabi talaga akong concrete and solid, But I can say that we're getting there. We're not in bad terms naman. And we're fixing things. Working on it, yes.
And nagkakasama kayo kapag may mga occasion sa family?
Nagkakasama pa rin. Yeah.
And you're with your dad?
I'm good with my dad. I'm super okay. We're exploring our newfound relationship. Kasi nga, now that I'm older, mas nakikilala ko talaga siya.
Mas saan kayo nagsakasundo ni Dad? Ano yung sinunod-jade kayo or saan kayo nag-e-enjoy ni Dad?
Yung dad ko kasi, grabe siya, musician talaga siya. So, nag-e-enjoy kami to spend time with each other, listening to music. Sometimes, he shows me, I'm writing this for you. So, ayun, pinaparinig niya sa akin yung mga... Tapos yung mga songs ko sa album, pinapakinig ko sa kanya. He's gonna tell me his comment din. Basta, I'm enjoying now my relationship.
Pero ikaw, kapag may pinagdadaanin ka sa life, paano ko yung support ng dad mo kapag meron kang problem?
Ng dad ko?
Yeah, kapag may problem ka pinagdadaanan, paano ko yung support ni dad and yung mom mo?
And your mom?
My mom, first my mom, ever since, kahit meron kaming mga misunderstandings, when it comes to my feelings, when it comes to alam niyang nasasakulan ako, she's always there. Siya yung unang-unang magte-text na parang, are you okay? We can, if you want, you can come here, we can just hang out, gano'n. That's a side of her siguro na hindi nakita ng mga tao. She's a mom talaga. Yung dad ko naman, comfort ko din siya. Kapag meron akong pinagdadaanan, I run to him, then yung vibe naman ng dad ko, very gentle kasi siya, so he's very comforting. Wala, when I'm with him, okay na.
At nakita ko, nagkaroon pa kayo ng chance na last year pa tayo na sa isang gig niya, sumama ka, diba?
Yes.
Kailan kayo nag-start na mas madalas yung communication? Last year lang.
Mag-bond?
Oo.
It started New Year last year.
At tumuloy-tuloy na. Sa family muna.
Yes, family first and
Personal. Do you live on your own ba?
yes.
Kumusta yung living independently?
Naman.
Ikaw, I mean, ikaw nag-aasik, do you personally parang fix things sa house or paano yun?
Yeah.
Diba?
Oo, at first it was hard, but I'm learning, like I said,
Janela, any reaction lang na finally si Lisken, Liza and Enrique ay umamin na sa kanilang relationship as a
Reaction?
friend? Oo. Are you happy?
I'm happy for them kasi I know how happy my friend is when she's with Ken. So, I'm happy that they're finally open.
Are you open also na sana magkaroon kayo ng project together with Liza and Julia? Yung mga barkadahan niyo?
We've actually been talking about it. We really want to work with each other. So, sana, hopefully one day. Yeah.
Ano pa yung mga aabangan namin sa'yo in the coming days?
Mga aabangan.
Yeah, mga projects.
Like I said earlier, my second album is coming out. Actually, yung first single ko lalabas na next month. So I'm super excited for that. And I'm doing a movie with Regal this year. Wala pang details, pero yun.
Pwede kang pumili kung sino makakasama mo.
Pinag-iisipan pa namin eh. Sino ba? Sino bang bago?
Ikaw, may personal ka
Hindi
bang
ko alam.
choice?
Wala. I'm open naman to anyone. It's experimenting.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Picture that.
Pababain po muna natin, pipicturean din dito.
Yeah.
Janela,
Kaya dito pa pipicturean mo.
thank you.
Ano ba akong vlogger?
So, yeah. Thank you.